If you struggle with the Army golf concept, which is you hit one left, then you hit it right, left, right, like you're marching, you're struggling with face awareness and your ability to control it at impact. What you're going to do is take your Saber, hold it with the blue stripe on top. You're going to do a simple half back, half through exercise. So what you do is you take the Saber back halfway, don't do any rotation of the barrel. The Saber is square. It's really going to help you build the awareness underneath that left thumb. As that top thumb is in this position, you haven't rolled it one way or the other. So you go back halfway, come back to impact, halfway. Back to impact, halfway. So what you're going to do is just kind of slowly work your body back and forth, really focusing on not taking any part of your wrists and rolling that barrel. If you're hitting the ball left and right, at 100 miles an hour, you're trying to control impact. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to stop at a certain point to hit it straight, and if it goes right, you're overcompensating and flipping it to the left. So my goal for you is to forget about trying to control impact and control what your wrists and arms do in that full range of motion all the way back and through. So to eliminate the left, right, left issues, take your Saber and do this exercise.